If you want to enter or exit the Fastboot mode on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then what you can do is, first of all, we can restart our phone. I'm gonna use power and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then over here we have to slide down to reboot our phone. However, before you do that, I have to say that the next step is to press and hold volume down button right after that. So I'm gonna slide all the way down to reboot and then immediately press and hold volume down. And just keep holding all the time until you see the Fastboot text. There we go. So this is how it looks like. Now, if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, all you have to do is press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until the Fastboot text disappears from the smartphone. So just keep holding the power button, and after like 10 seconds or so, you should be able to get rid of the Fastboot text from the screen. So then you can release the power button and wait for the phone to turn back on. And then you will be back into the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.